So I think what really sets Healthcare Ready apart from other nonprofit organizations is just our true reach and the impact that we're able to have. So we work with everyone related to the nonprofit sector, the private sector, and the public sector. We also have very big partners that rely on us to help their organizations and dissipate information. We have so many people really relying on us to help their community and to help the individuals within their areas or geographical areas to be able to respond to emergencies.
We're small, but we're mighty in the sense of the skills and experiences that we offer. There are incredible members on the team who are excellent at communication, resourceful, strategic planning, leadership, and because of the work that we do in the sense of needing to be flexible and adapt to activations, to natural disasters as they occur, our quick resourcefulness and skills have really led to unimaginable impact.
People allocate their bandwidth on as needed basis. And because of the intersectionality of how we work and what a diverse group of individuals we are, the team members have a feeling of accountability to one another and the organization.
We were able to help not only businesses function better as far as anything from your pharmacy or your doctor's office or radiology or dialysis center keep their patients coming in and having transportation. But we were also able to help on the smallest impact by helping the everyday citizens that were just calling to figure out where to get their prescriptions filled. These are some things that, in an emergency or a pandemic or even in a disaster setting, the smallest things as far as clean water or just prescription are often some of the most important things that individuals need.
A lot of our work is based on critical infrastructure analysis and supply chain analysis. And since a lot of our tools are publicly available, we cannot even comprehend to what degree our work ripples in order to assist those in need.
Healthcare Ready has been actively engaged with COVID-19. And of course, with the rollout of the vaccines, there's been a lot of hesitation and misinformation. So we've really utilized our social media platforms and networks to ensure that correct information about the pandemic, about vaccines, boosters, are being rolled out. We've reached over 5.2 million people over the past year through social media, and that accumulates to about 12.5 million impressions. The work that we do and the energy that we bring to the table leads to having an impact on community-based organizations, the private sector, and individuals who require assistance.
Is really the relationships that we cultivate daily with one another, whether that's supporting each other on tasks or giving each other tips or ideas or just your everyday feedback, but also remaining, lighthearted and having that humor in our conversations or just kind of like our team dynamic as a whole. We work really, really hard together to individually to make as I said before, the impossible possible and be able to help so many people. I definitely think our mission and what, the outside perspective is made possible from the true connection and the work that we have as a team internally.